class, so today the learning objective for this lesson is I can tell the main idea and details of a text. Remember, main idea is what is the text mainly about, okay? I want you to be thinking about that today as I read you this book, Butterflies, and when we're done, we are going to do an activity to find out the main idea and details. All right, this book is titled Butterflies, and Emily Neye is the author, and it's illustrated by Ron Broda. Butterflies. Butterflies live all over the world. They are in backyard gardens. They are in rainforests far away. You can find butterflies on cold mountains and in hot deserts. Butterflies are insects like flies and ladybugs. They have 6 legs, a body in 3 parts, and skin that is hard like a shell. Like most insects, butterflies have wings. There are more than 20,000 kinds of butterflies. They come in all different colors. Butterflies come in different sizes. The biggest butterfly has wings as wide as a robin's wings. The smallest butterfly is about the size of this picture, which looks about the size of my fingernail. But every butterfly starts out the same way, as a tiny egg. This monarch butterfly has just laid one of her eggs on a leaf. A few days later, the egg hatches. Now it is a tiny caterpillar. All the caterpillar does is eat and rest, eat and rest. It chews up many leaves. It grows and grows. 2 weeks go by. Now the caterpillar is ready to change. Finds a safe spot on a twig or leaf. It spins a silk pad, and it hangs upside down from the pad. It looks as if the caterpillar is just resting, but it isn't. Slowly it sheds its skin. Then it forms a hard shell. Inside the shell, the caterpillar is changing. After about a week, the shell cracks open. Out comes a pretty monarch butterfly. Her wings are wet. She can't fly yet. She must let her wings dry in the sun. Then the monarch flies to a bed of flowers. She is hungry. Butterflies do not eat leaves like caterpillars. They suck sweet juices from flowers. Their tongues work like a straw. Some animals like to eat butterflies, but these butterflies are safe. Their wings look like leaves and bark. This bird does not see them. Can you see them? One here. The other one is right there. Are these butterflies? No, they are moths. Moths look a lot like butterflies, but they fly at night. Butterflies fly in the daytime. Is this a butterfly? Yes. You can tell because its wings are closed. When a moth rests, its wings stay open. The summer is ending. Fall is on the way. Most butterflies do not like the cold. Some sleep all winter. They find quiet spots, such as a cave or your attic. Other butterflies fly south to warm places. Monarch butterflies fly many, many miles. Clouds of them fill the sky. In the spring, they fly back north, where they will lay their eggs. And soon, new butterflies will be here. Maybe some will be in your backyard. All right, so we are going to talk about the main idea and the details of this book. Now remember, main idea is what is it mainly about? So think about that. What is this book mainly about? We're going to answer this by looking at the details of this book first, okay? Now the details are all the different things that we learned in this story. What is something that you remember from this book? What is a detail that you remember? Butterflies are insects is one thing that I remember. So I'm going to write insects right here on our main idea chart under details, because that is the detail they gave us, that butterflies are insects. We also know that butterflies lay eggs and that they start as what? What comes out of that egg? Caterpillars. And the caterpillars grow into butterflies. Can you think of anything else the book told us about butterflies? What do butterflies eat? They eat flowers, don't they? They drink the sweet juices from flowers, or the nectar. Eat flowers. And what do they look like? The book told us about that. Yes, they are different colors and sizes. They told us there were actually over 20,000 different kinds of butterflies. Can you think of one more thing, one more detail that we learned about butterflies? They fly around, don't they? So I'm going to put that they fly. Okay, so let's look right here at our main idea chart. So far we've listed some different details that we learned in the book. Now there were a lot more that we did not put on here because we're not going to be able to put them all. But I put down insects because butterflies are insects. Eggs, to remind us that they lay eggs. That they start as a caterpillar and they grow into a butterfly. That butterflies fly. That they are different colors and sizes. And that they eat flowers. So we're going to look at all of these details, and I want you to tell me, what do all of these details have in common? They all have to do with what? Yes, they all have to do with butterflies. So friends, that is the main idea of this book. This book is all about butterflies. It tells us all different kinds of things about them. From what they look like, to where they live, to what they eat, to what size they are, and even how they become butterflies. So we could say the main idea of this book is butterflies, and all of these details in the book support that main idea. All right, friends, have a great day.